Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make a roasted whole chicken using Pampered Chef's half sheet pan and roasting rack. So the roasting rack is something that is oven safe and you can use it right on top of the half sheet pan. This is a really simple, quick and easy recipe and I can't wait to show you how to make this. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to take a whole chicken and you're going to want to rinse it, clean it out, and pat it dry. For this one, we're going to keep it really simple. I'm going to spritz it with some oil and I'm going to sprinkle it with some herbs de Provence seasoning. So first we're going to pump the pressure into the bottle. So if you've never seen this before, you pump the pressure until the bottle is nice and tight and then it will spray like an aerosol can. We're going to spray the whole chicken. All right, when you're done using the kitchen spritzer, you're going to burp the bottle. Just release the cap, let all the air out. Put the lid back on and store this anywhere but over the stovetop. Because if you store it over the stovetop, the heat will rise and it will get nice and sticky and gunky and you don't want that to happen. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the herbs de Provence seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle this all over the top. If you wanted, you could put onions or citrus fruit on the inside of the chicken cavity. I'm choosing not to do that today. It's totally up to you. This recipe is just a basic idea. I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now, we're gonna tie the legs together. These are like hair rubber bands, but they're rubber, but they're food safe, and you can get these on Amazon. They come in a package like this, and you can wash them in the dishwasher and reuse them over and over. So what I'm gonna do, I like to put, hopefully you can see this, I'm gonna put this on one leg and then twist it, and then go to the other leg, twist it, and then go back again. See if I can get it there. Yep. So it's like doing a double ponytail. if you have a ponytail, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is our chicken. Let me wash my hands really quickly since I was handling that raw meat. Both the sheet pan, half sheet pan, and the roasting rack are sold together as a set, and you can get those on my website. Please check out theflipflopchef.com, and you'll be able to have access to thousands of recipes. Be sure to click the button to join my recipe community. Scroll down a little bit and you'll also see some of my YouTube videos. Be sure to subscribe there as well. And if you have any questions or if you'd like to purchase anything that you've seen in this video, I would love the opportunity to be your consultant. As a consultant with Pampered Chef, I do earn commission on the products that I sell, so it means a lot to me if you'd shop with me if you enjoy my videos. I'm going to cover this with foil just to keep it from over browning. You could cook it for a little while with the foil, and then at the very end you could take it off. And I'm just going to cover the chicken loosely so it's not like tightly covered. And I'll put this in a 350-degree oven. I will post pictures of the finished product in my recipe community. You can find that again at theflipflopchef.com. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.